Hi, and welcome to Mondays with Melissa. I'm Melissa Brett, co-owner of Weldon Hardware, your hometown hardware store, and today we are in our power equipment shop. Probably one of our biggest questions from customers and continued information that we want to get out to consumers is the issue that gasoline with ethanol is doing to small engines, be it your snowblower, lawnmower, generator, motorcycle, boat engines, and the like. So first, let me tell you the four main problems with ethanol blended gasoline, which is what is at every standard gas station. Gummed up deposits rapidly form in the fuel tank and fuel system as gas with ethanol ages. However, ethanol is also a powerful solvent that will strip away and disperse this buildup back into the fuel as large performance-robbing particles. This leads to clogged filters, injectors, and carburetors. Excessive water in the fuel tank causes engines to run rough, stall, and even be damaged. Ethanol provides a significant amount of the fuel's octane, so when the phase separation happens, the remaining fuel is left without enough octane to properly operate the engine. The third issue is, over a short period of time, usually less than a month, ethanol fuel begins to break down. As ethanol and other components evaporate, the fuel loses octane and becomes stale. This causes hard starts or engine knocking, which robs your engine of power and can cause damage. And finally, ethanol fuel does not produce as much energy as traditional non-ethanol gasoline. This results in inefficient combustion, decreased performance, reduced throttle response, and poor fuel economy. So what can you do? There are two courses you can take. Now, if you don't use a lot of gasoline throughout the season, we strongly encourage everyone to start purchasing a pre-engineered fuel that contains no ethanol, or finding a source of ethanol-free gasoline, usually found at airports, or it's also called racing fuel. With the pre-engineered fuel, there's no mixing required, no ethanol ever added, and it typically has a shelf life of more than 18 months once the can is opened. Many manufacturers now label their own line of this fuel in quarts or gallons. Always run your machine on this fuel and you don't have to worry about ethanol-related issues for the life of the machine. Now, if you do go through a lot of gasoline during the season, make sure you treat the fuel as soon as you buy it with a fuel additive that combats ethanol. We recommend the Startron brand. We recommend a higher octane level of gas as well, at least a gas octane of 90, since phase separation will lower the octane levels. Also, look before you pump. Some stations may have higher than 10% ethanol fuel, which is harmful as well as illegal to use in outdoor power equipment in some states. Since ethanol attracts water, make sure you use the newer self-venting gas cans with a self-sealing spout. Now, this won't eliminate the water attraction, but it will help slow it down. Now, especially for two-cycle equipment, shake the gas can every time before pouring it into your power equipment to ensure the fuel is mixed properly. When you are done with your equipment for the season, running your machine until there is no more fuel left is no longer the recommended storage solution. Now, unless you can remove the carburetor and all the fuel lines, there's always some gasoline left in your machine. Instead, fill it up with the pre-engineered fuel I talked about. This will help overcome the issue of attracting water, as well as keep the fuel lines from drying out and cracking. We also strongly recommend starting your equipment during its off-season, at least once a month. So at this point in the summer, you should start your generator, snowblower, chainsaw, and whatever you have been sitting around for a while, and run for at least 5 minutes. Now, if you have any questions on how to maintain your gas-powered equipment, don't hesitate to ask us. We'll gladly show you your options. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Mondays with Melissa, and I can't wait to share more of us at Weldon Hardware with you at home.